How to log into the 53rd Bank Online Banking. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how you can log into your 53rd Bank Online Banking account step by step so that you can manage your money anytime, anywhere. First, open up your web browser and search for 53rd Bank, or you can directly go to 53.com. Once you get to the page, that's the official 53rd Bank website. And at the top right corner of your screen, you'll find the online banking login section. Just tap on the login button. And then once on the login page, you will be asked to enter your user ID and your login password. Whether it's your commercial banking or online banking, select whatever you want. Then type in your user ID and password exactly as you set them up. Once you have done that, you could just go ahead and tap on the login button to simply log into your account. And if you want the browser to remember your information, you can often find the Remember Me button in these kind of websites, or you could just avoid this if you are on a public computer. Now click on login, and if you've set up two-step verification, 53rd will send you a security code by text, call, or an email. Enter the code to complete your login. Once you log in, you can check your balances, transfer money, pay bills, view statements. If somehow you've forgotten your password, tap on this Forgot Login to quickly recover your password. And that's it. Logging in is very quick and easy. If you found this guide helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more quick tips, and I'll see you on the next video.